Hello everyone. Welcome to Filter and Reduce Functions in Python coding exercise. In Python, filter creates a list of elements for which a function returns true. The syntax for filter is filter, inside round braces, function, iterable. Filter can also take user-defined functions as well as lambda functions as parameter. In this coding exercise, we are first going to implement lambda functions, then map, and then filter functions. To start with, I'm first going to create a simple function, say square. So it prints the square of 10. Next, we are going to implement map. So first, I'm going to create a list. Then I'm going to map it with a string swap case. So list map the function, that is the built-in method, comma days. And then I'm going to print my modified list. So you can see the case of my list items have been swapped. Another example of map is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strings equals to S T U V W X. Now I'm going to map my strings and numbers. So map list comma strings comma numbers. Now I'm going to print my maps list. So you can see my strings and numbers are mapped together. Next, we are going to implement filter function. First, I'm going to create a list, say list of marks. And now I'm going to create a function and return the score if it is less than 33. So basically, I'm going to filter my failed student list. and then I'm going to print my students fail list. So the students who got marks less than 33 are nothing but failed students. So these are the 3 students who have failed. Likewise, you can also modify your list and then filter based on the condition that is provided in the function. Next, we are going to implement reduce function. To do so, first I'm going to import reduce from functools. Then I'm going to create a list. Then I'm going to implement the reduce function using lambda. So a minus b So with an initial value, I'm going to print my filtered list, the list that has been reduced. So you can see a minus b is nothing but minus 120, and with an initial value it is minus 152. So in this way, we have implemented filtered and reduce functions in Python. I hope you enjoyed this video. The reduce function is used to apply to elements of the sequence from left to right, starting with the first 2 elements in the sequence. So my A and B is nothing but the first 2 elements of my list. Then reduce is called with a lambda function and an iterable, and a reduced result is returned. So you can see the reduced result minus 120 minus 152 has been returned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.